Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Hi, good morning.
Order
Hope
submitted.
everybody's latched in with a seatbelt this morning because it's game time. There's a lot of action
Order
going on
filled.
here this morning. Awesome. Let's take a look at what we're up to.
Order submitted. Order filled.
See if we can
Order
get this
submitted.
show started here. Awesome. So let's make sure I've got the recording all up and running. If everybody can hear me and see me, maybe let me know. I'm Mark Miller, the owner of Right Line Trading. We've got the AI Auto Trader here today, showing
Order
it in
filled.
action.
Order submitted.
I've got the accounts tab open here, and man, we're rolling with some cash this morning.
Order submitted.
Big time cash. All right. Good morning, Charles. Good morning.
Order submitted.
We've got a couple of big time trades going on here. Kind of give you a little bit of the lay of the land. Dr. Hanson, good morning. Got the NQ fired up, man. Woo! Thing was rolling this morning.
Order filled.
Look at that. All them trades. Holy moly.
Order
Yes, I've
submitted.
got a couple
Order
accounts
filled.
going on here.
Order filled.
This one here is doing
Order
really good this
filled.
morning. I got 2,300 so far in it. It's on the NQ. Again, at about 8:30, it just ripped big time. Huge
Order
volume
filled.
spikes
Order.
came through.
Order submitted.
Hey Kim, good morning. Good. So we're doing some good trading so far this morning. Got quite a few
Order
accounts
submitted.
rolling. The NQ is
Order
really
filled.
on fire. So that's really where the bulk of it's at. But I've got the CL right
Order
here too.
filled. Order filled.
Nice trade going on in the CL. Had some good luck with that one already this morning. It looks like I'm up about 900 or so on that one. So we're really rolling. This is one of the better days of trading since
Order
since about a
submitted.
couple of weeks. Got a lot of them at $2,000 already this morning. Let me know if your guys' machines are following along with what I've got here. Got a couple of PCs that I'm looking at.
Order filled.
Dr. Hanson, you trading the NQ. Tell me how you're doing. Dr. Jeff, good morning. What I thought we could do, I thought of a fun competition. You guys tell me if it's fun or not. You guys are regulars. I'm going to put you guys in as an account, and I want you to pick a strategy to run for the day, and from like 10 to 11, and we'll see who can make the most money from 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock. So
Order
I think
filled.
I'll get that going over here on
Order
the side.
submitted.
I'll create accounts with your guys' names, and you just
Order
tell me in the
filled.
chat what strategy you want to put your account on, and we'll do a challenge from 10 to 11. We'll enable them all at 10 o'clock, and then whoever's winning at 11, you get a small prize. No, but I'm really working on trying to figure out how to give something serious out. So, but yeah, if you guys want
Order
to
filled.
play along, just let me know, and I'll get you an account set up, and you can just pick a strategy that you want to put your name on, almost like a horse race. That's exactly what I was thinking. Just something that would be interactive and hopefully fun. Okay, wow, this crude oil is really crushing it again this morning. Now I'm trading two contracts here, so a little bit different. I'm not trading one, I'm trading two because I've got some $150,000 accounts. This one's a $300,000 account, but these are 150. So I'm trading
Order
two
filled.
contracts, trying to move the needle a little bit further, quicker. So
Order-
I'll show you
order
a little bit of
canceled.
the setup here in a few minutes. Ah, yeah, bummer, Kim. That's That's a bummer. Yeah, the computers, well, I'll tell you, it's a round robin keeping them all running. We've got a VPS, and even that had a few hiccups here and there. So
Order
there's
submitted.
nothing immune to it, I don't think.
Order submitted.
Looks like I lost a couple trades in gold this morning. So I've got this account right here running on gold. I've got this one running on the crude oil, and this one's running on the NQ. Okay, someone has to work, and we'll be here, armchair
Order
quarterback
submitted.
the NQ for you until you can
Order
free
filled.
up.
Order filled.
Okay, we got a heck of a trade going on in the CL right now. This has been a beauty this morning.
Order filled.
I took a short entry
Order
here, and this
submitted.
is all, this is the black gold
Order
strategy.
filled.
It took a short
Order
entry here, made a nice little victory there. It took another short entry right here, huge victory down there. Tripped up one time right here, but then it's in
Order submitted.
another good looking short, and yeah, it's put looks like about 1,600 in the account
Order
this
filled.
morning, and looks like the NQ's back in, so we're jumped in short here, and yeah, this one's put about $3,000 in the account this morning.
Order filled.
Close.
Order filled.
Okay, so quite a leaderboard going on this morning. Hey, Rue, good morning. Rue, what a big day, huh? Tell us how you've done so far today.
Order submitted.
This NQ is relentless here. This thing is all over. So I'm trading 2 contracts on this one. Again, it's a $300,000 account, so you can take a little bit
Order
bigger
filled.
swings.
Order filled.
That's what we call sizing up. If you
Order filled.
find something that's working, you can just add more contracts to it and pour a little fuel on the fire.
Order
I'll tell you,
submitted.
the one that's really been a sneaker has been the ES. Right down here, this ES signal B, since April 1st, it's just been methodically plugging along, making about $200 a day on average. So this is a decent one to trade
Order filled.
if you don't, you're not too aggressive. This is a nice moderate strategy. This one stops trading at $500, and it was done when it basically got started. The first trade, it made its $500, and it's done for the day.
Order submitted.
So that's the ES 5-minute signal A bot or drone. We'll go look at a little bit of trade performance. That one's been a real beauty.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, got a nice CL trade we're still in here. So yeah, I'm just looking up a little bit of trade performance real
Order
quick of this.
submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
So yeah, I was talking about the ES, and I've got the trade performance of it up real quick here. So since 4/1,
Order submitted.
Again, it's just very methodical in its approach. We have it stopping at $500, either a win or loss. And, you know, since the first, on the first it made the 500, lost the 500,
Order submitted.
you know, whatever. So you can kind of see, but it's up, you know, $3,300, you know, and it's steadily climbing. That's a beautiful equity curve right there. So this is one to keep
Order
your eye
filled.
on, and like I said, you can size up. So we're trading one contract, and we do that on purpose. So you get like a baseline of how these, you know, potentially do. But you could trade 5 contracts, and you could be, instead of, you know, or 10 contracts, you could be at 5,000 a day. And you know, this thing would be, you know, times 10, so it'd be 30,000. So it has the potential to
Order canceled.
really move the needle once you get one that's, you know, consistent and steady. So this is one to keep your eye on if you're like
Order submitted.
you know, methodical. I'm a little more risky, so I like to
Order filled.
I like to go for the home run.
Order submitted.
That's
Order
the way I live
filled.
life. So I like that methodical approach, but I also like, you know, the NQ. Just, it's always in a trade and always has action, so I gravitate towards it. But the ES is where you potentially can just sit back and make some money. All right, I'm getting chewed up now. This thing directionally quit moving for me. Started doing a lot of wibbly wobbly.
Submitted.
All right, so I'm going to get a SIM account with all your guys' names on it.
Order
Rue,
filled.
Kim, Dr. Jeff, Dr. Hansen.
Order
and you guys
filled.
going to pick a strategy here that you want to put your account on, and
Order
we'll do a
filled.
competition from 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock and see whose strategy wins. So in the chat, put what strategy you'd like to trade starting at 10. And you can make a change too if you want to make a change to the strategy. Like if you want to maybe try to trade more contracts or change a filter
Order
or
submitted.
do something like that. I think that would be fun. And I think that's how we could maybe, you know, find a strategy that could make us more money too. Hey, Toby, good morning. So let's do that. Everybody who puts your name in the chat, I'll create an account real quick, and then we can see if you guys could pick which one you want to trade. Give you a heads up of kind of what I'm doing here behind the scenes is
Order submitted.
I've got a few
Order submitted.
Apex accounts here running, and I'm trying for a $300,000 one here. So I've got a couple of contracts being traded on the NQ.
Order submitted.
Looks like we're
Order
up about
filled.
almost 1,000. Was up about 2,500, but gave a little bit back here. Got stuck in this little channel of a couple of trades that knocked me out. But we'll see how this goes. I do have another strategy here that Sergio was putting together for me. This one's the NQ aggressive from the Revo software that we have. We've brought it to life here with the AA Auto Trader. So that one's one to keep my eye on. We got it running 24 hours a day, so it's you know, all night long. It's at $2,000.
Order submitted. Order filled.
So the CL trade looks like we're going long again here. This one's the black gold. This one's been crushing it for me this morning. It's up $1,400. Where is it down here? Yeah, 1,400.
Order
All right,
filled.
Kim, you want to trade the NQ Signal A? Gotcha. Let me get these accounts all set up. This is gonna be fun, I think. We'll see who can make the most money. account.
Order submitted.
I'll do it over here on the side. Dr. Jeff, NQ signal B. Gotcha.
Order filled. Order filled.
You know, Sergio could get me to use that new tool. I can use that in a split second. I just need to get a little more work on that thing to be really fluid with it. I think I can do it. I should try that.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I think I'll do it the crude way today, the old-fashioned way. After the broadcast, I'll ask him how I can do this without messing any of the other ones up.
Order filled.
Okay, Toby's in with the NQ Signal B bot.
Order
Awesome.
filled.
Yeah, I should be able to do this lickety split with that new tool, and I probably can do it all like within milliseconds. So today's gonna be like the version 1, but Rory's gonna be presenting tomorrow, but
Order filled.
I'll even show him how to do this if he wants to. But
Order filled.
I should be able to use that tool and have it all
Order
typed
filled.
in, and every day we can just boom, and it'll load them all like lickety split. Okay. Rue, you want to jump in with us? Anybody else out there that's listening? Go ahead, just type in the chat there what horse you want to trade today. Yeah, with that other tool, I think I can get it set up to where we just, boom, do it every day. It's super simple. All right, got another beauty with this CL. Man, this one's hot today. Super hot.
Order filled.
All right, Dan, good morning.
Order submitted.
Oh, yeah. He ran into a little bit of a brick wall. We talked about it this morning. Sergio found some bug and fixed it. So Rory has, it working now on his machine. And it's fixed in the FTP site. So if you were, Dan, to go download the RLA Auto Trader P again, follow that process where you remove it, whatever that process is, but it will now function the way he was trying to do it yesterday. There was something in there that was stopping it, so I don't know how to do playback, Dan.
Order filled.
I don't know how to do playback. And I don't trust the strategy analyzer. Every time we tried to do that, we get, I call it bad data, and I don't like bad data. So Rory will be able to show you how to do it tomorrow. And he'll do a video of how to do it as well. So that, if you want to do it behind the scenes, you can just go watch that video. So it looks like I took a hit in gold. I'm trading gold here, the gold nugget on this account, 687 here. Took a couple of losers. Again, I'm
Order.
trading two
Order
contracts, so it goes
submitted.
pretty quick. Good, we jumped in
Order
here on the
filled.
NQ again. This one's the
Order.
haymaker version.
Order submitted. Order
If we can
filled.
get some movement here. Oh, thanks, Charles. Yeah, you might be able to walk them through it too. I just don't do playback or the strategy analyzer anymore.
Order filled. Order filled.
We have quite a bit of news coming out today, guys. Let me bring up the Forex Factory website. So we've got
Order submitted.
today at 10 o'clock pending home sales. That looks like the red one. So 10 o'clock here in a few minutes. We might see a flurry of activity again.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
So GDP here rocked it this morning, 8:30. This is what, or unemployment, I guess both of these really moved the needle. The auto trader was going crazy.
Order filled.
Again, we had all these just blow up, boom. About 8:35, these were all at $2,000.
Order filled. Order filled.
Man, getting whiplashed here in the NQ. Did a heck of a lot of trading there, though. This one's been trading like crazy. I actually had it going all night long. We created duplicate strategies too on my other machine, because now we have the window where you can add 3 different time slots. So we're now capturing data of all the indexes throughout
Order
the night.
submitted.
And we'll start to look and see if there's any windows of opportunity that show up. I've heard about like London opening and other ones that might be of interest to us. So we'll keep our eye on those. You know, I had a couple of really good ones overnight, but you know, there's a lot of action overnight last night compared to, I'll say, a normal day. So we'll see how they go over a week or so. See if we get this NQ to pop for us here one time. Yeah, we're going into that news. These things should go crazy at 10 o'clock again. Man, how exciting. Thousands of dollars moving. Okay, let me get you guys' strategy set up. Dan, do you want to trade one? You want to put your name on a horse here today?
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, so getting y'all set up here. We'll get the horse race ready to start here in a few minutes. Let's see. Come on, baby. Get my head straight. Okay, let's go. And we got Kim with the NQ. Signal A drone. I know your computer's not working, Kim, so you can look at this as like, hey, if I was trading, this is what I would have done today. Okay, we'll just leave everything as it is. We'll put your account. Make sure it's on the NQ. Boom. So Kim,
Order
you're locked
submitted.
in. We're gonna
Order
wait and
submitted.
enable them all at the same time.
Order
but,
submitted.
got you in.
Order filled.
Oh, we got a good trade there.
Order filled.
There we
Order
go.
filled.
All
Order
right.
submitted. Order filled.
And in the, in the future, we won't even have to do all this. Boom. I'll use that tool. It'll all go in automatically. We won't even have to bring it up on this chart. They'll all be in there. I can't wait. I could almost do it today.
Order
I just don't want to
filled.
screw
Order
anything
filled.
up.
Order submitted.
Do one, try one with Sergio watching me. Okay, so boom, boom, Kim's in. Dr. Jeff. Signal B. I gotta hurry too. I got 2
Order
minutes.
submitted.
Signal B. Here we go.
Order submit. Order filled.
Signal
Order
B,
filled.
Dr. Jeff.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh boy, everybody's getting pumped. NQ. Boom, you're in. New strategy. Toby. There we go. Toby's playing the NQ Signal B bot. Signal B.
Order submitted.
Boom, locked and loaded here. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. Let me see, what horse am I going to put my name on? Let's see. Got to go with the NQ with this thing going crazy for sure.
Order filled.
I'll go with the Haymaker.
Order submitted.
Okay, let's get these started. All right, the competition
Order
is underway.
submitted.
Here we go.
Order filled.
Boy, my CL jumped in long now.
Order submitted.
What a great strategy. He's up $1,600 so far this morning.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
All right, so we'll
filled.
go to 11 o'clock. Looks like we got a couple in already. Signal B's in. We'll, let's see, let's watch it down here. I think I'll just duplicate this one. You can duplicate a chart. You can just right click on it, duplicate it in a new window. Kind of gives you a pretty good head start. Oops, I didn't want to do new window. I want to do, I didn't mean to do that. I'm going to delete that one.
Order
I'm
filled.
going to duplicate in a new new window. I must have hit new tab. But let's watch the signal B down here, because that's which one you guys are trading. We'll go with
Order filled.
we'll go with Dr. Wild and Toby. This is both of your guys's.
Order submitted.
Got you out at $60.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, come on. Let's see if we can do this.
Order
To
filled.
check something here, we're
Order
working
filled.
on changing the way the trail works, and what we can do now is we can start a trade with low risk and not trail until it breaks away some. So I have this one set at no, I don't.
Order filled.
Okay. No, this one is what is this one? I've got this one running on the
Order
oh, the
submitted.
haymaker.
Order filled.
Okay,
Order
Kim, we took a
filled.
loss there too. Uh-oh.
Order canceled.
Hope we can stay in positive ground here.
Order filled.
Okay, 10 o'clock. Not a lot of activity like I was thinking.
Order filled.
8:30 really blew up. 10 o'clock, not so much.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, looks like my two accounts, one's 13, one's 12, and then I lost 11 here on this one.
Order submitted.
Whew. Let's go look at the leaderboard. Oh, wow. Man, all these at $2,000 already. Wow. Oh, Dr. Wild, look at you down here. Toby. Let's get you guys head to head here. Get this one going right.
Order filled.
Ah, darn it. Goes so quick. Wow, back to even. Let's see what Toby's at.
Order submitted.
Even. Okay. Go back here and look real quick. Yeah, you guys are back to even.
Order filled.
You paid commission. You paid the house to have the excitement and the
Order
adrenaline
submitted.
rush. Cost you $836 so far. All right, Kim's in. Come on, Kim.
Order
Uh-oh, are you
filled.
in the other way?
Order filled.
Kim's must have jumped in the other way.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh man, it's going. It's really moving a lot up and down. I think that's what it triggered your the drone short here, but then it took a long here on mine. Kim, you're in again. Let's get it. Okay, you're looking for
Order
a short here
submitted.
on the drone. Kim might take. Oh, got a little deficit to cover here. Ah!
Order
Oh,
filled.
man, that's painful.
Order submitted.
Like a shot in the head. Ouch. Kim, we gotta take you behind the barn.
Order canceled.
My nugget's with you though. And looks like my haymaker's with you too. Black gold's hanging in there. That's the one to trade right now for sure.
Order submitted.
We're back in on the black gold. Oh, Kim jumped in the feed trough one more time. You're still alive. Oh boy, here we go. It only takes one, Kim. This is the haymaker, don't forget. You got the big punch coming.
Order filled.
Mm.
Order filled.
Those are tough. Okay, so we got $8, $8, and $6.66 in the house. See if the market can get any direction anytime soon here.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Wow, look at all them in the green, man. Had a great day yesterday too. The YM is just a real sleeper, just methodical $200.
Order submitted. Order,
Looks like I
order
jumped in on
canceled.
gold here on the Apex account. Dan, you trading your system today? Oh, did I hear something? Maybe your VPS or something not working right on your end? I haven't looked at our VPS in a while. Sergio keeps that thing rolling for me. I'm gonna try to log in and see what's going on there. I can show that one too. If I can get online with it, I can show how it's doing, which is another PC to give us confirmation of what we're seeing. Oops. Sorry about that. CL is a hot one. Again, trading two contracts. Same settings other than two contracts. It's like we're doing a little bit of nice move with the gold here.
Order filled.
Oh, I think it might have just sold. I just about got it, and it just sold. Long entry, and it looks like it made a couple of ticks. Okay, so leaderboard still looking like Toby and Dr. Wild neck and neck at $8.36 in the hole, and Kim following with a little bit tougher slide there. So let's look at the server here.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, so the NQ is recovering a little bit. That's nice to see. Working on
Order
a nice
submitted.
smiley face here. Hopefully finishes it off. Kim, you're in. Here we go. This is the one.
Order submitted.
The comeback. The comeback Kim. Come on, be the one. Fill that gap. Fill that liquidity gap right here. Flush it out.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nope. Stubborn. So I'm going to bring over the server. We have we also have a server that's running all the strategies as well. And like I told you, we created these overnight strategies also. So basically, you know, this like for example, this is, you know, the RTY drone. We
Order
created another
submitted.
Signal B drone that trades, I'll say, on the off shift. So
Order submitted.
whatever times this one is, the other one has the other block of the 24 hours. So it looks like, you know, overnight, the black gold did okay. That one, these ones did okay overnight, last night. But this is kind of the shakeout of the leaderboard for today of the server. This is our server VPS that we have. Again, we've had little hiccups here and there, but this one's I'm paying $35 a month. Kind of the specs that I can remember.
Order
We
filled.
do have 16 gig of RAM, so it is a pretty decent server. But anyway, this is the shakeout of the leaderboard on this one. Now Sergio may have restarted it this morning. I don't know, because those numbers seem pretty low from what I have here on both of these machines. So there's a chance that he maybe restarted it or whatever this morning. So that's a server that we have.
Order filled.
Okay, we've took a couple of hits here since we were looking at something else, but we're all down now, so we gotta catch our wind here. The only one that I've got doing well
Order
is
submitted.
CL. Kim is back in, trying to go short with this. Let me go find a cross. Let me get this back in order here. So I'm getting the crosses back to show properly, so we can see where that that cross came in at. Huh, sure enough. Cross was there, and boy, it didn't look like she was going to go down at all. Man. Tell ya,
Order submitted.
this robot, whole new story. All right, Kim, let's get this back here for you. Signal B will jump in once we tap out down here.
Order
Oh
filled.
boy, can't catch a break. Signal B looks like the little bit smarter play so far this morning. A little more conservative. Haven't caught any of those big trends yet. Rue, did you make any money trading this morning? Did you lose any money? Do you ever lose money? Or do you always make money? If you have a no-lose strategy, please share that with us. I'm gonna take a break and make a coffee, and I'll be back in a few minutes.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh boy, here we go. Dr. Wild and Toby on the roll here. I see it coming.
Order submitted.
See if you guys can get into positive territory here. Here we go. Hoo-wee, here we go.
Order
there you
filled.
go. Jumping up the leaderboard. Here we go. Come on. One more push. All right, this is what we came for right here. The home run, baby.
Order filled.
Oh boy.
Order filled. Order filled.
Where are you guys? Oh, it won't show here because I need to reset. Okay, I got to look at it in this tab. It won't show up over there
Order
until
filled.
I disconnect and reconnect the connection. But it shows here. Let's see, what is the easiest way? I got it. So this will be some things I'll figure out tonight is how to get the leaderboard to just show
Order
you
filled.
guys first, all of us who are competing. I guess. Okay, there you are. Let's see.
Order
Okay,
submitted.
Toby took the lead. Look at this. Toby took the lead at $384. Dr. Wild right behind him at 304. You guys want to see why the bot made a little bit more money there? Toby's bot's the lead dog right now at 384. Way to go, Toby, the conservative one.
Order filled.
Hey, Stefan. Good morning. those arrows are the price accelerator indicator. Um, in market internals, price accelerator indicators. You could I'll kind of show you how to add
Order
them,
filled.
and then you could get rid of them if you don't like them. You can right click on a chart anywhere. Right mouse click, not left. So right mouse click. You go into indicators, and triangles right here. So the RLMIPA signal. That's the ones that are putting these triangles on your chart. I have mine unchecked for visible, but I'll check it for visible, and you'll see what happens to my chart here. So this is the price accelerator market
Order
internal
submitted.
signal that we have. It's one of our proprietary signals, and that's what puts those triangles on your chart for you. I just don't show them. They're actually back here behind the scenes working. But I just don't,
Order
try
filled.
to keep the chart a little bit, I guess, cleaner. No, can't get to it that way. You got to right click, go to indicators, and then I just uncheck it as visible. That way, it's not an added thing on my chart. But that's how you could you get rid of them if you don't like them. They are a really nice juicy signal though. It kind of goes without saying, but it's price acceleration, so it's seeing the price, go beyond the deviation. I think 2 or so 3 standard deviations away or whatever. All right, there's Dr. Wild. Let's see, Toby, lead dog here. Boom, 405. Let's see what happened here. How you ended up making a little bit more money here. So Toby jumped in at 423. We'll just kind of toggle back and forth for a split second. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go to trade performance, and we'll be able to do a side-by-side comparison to see exactly what went on there.
Order filled.
All right, Kim, come on. That's my favorite one now. Let's get this signal A moving in the right direction. It had a heck of a morning, and it's done. See, it's not even trading now. It hit its $2,000 victory, and it's out. So it's done. So I'm gonna go do a trade performance and just see what happened on that last trade. How the bot ended up making a little bit more money. Performance.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So I'm just bringing open the trade performance over here, and we're going to take a look at those trades kind of right next to each other, and just see how one of them made a little bit more money than the other. I have no idea how yet, so I'm just going to bring it over once I just get it open. Oh boy, I got a beauty here, huh? Let's go, grander. Woo-wee, let's go. Come on. Making big time money. Getting back up to where I was. Tell you on these NQs, you only need one home run. You don't need two.
Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, Toby's back in. Dr. Wild, you're back in. Kim, you're in, I guess. Let's get the leaderboard here going. I got to get better at the leaderboard. Let's see. Toby. Oh, we're underwater a little bit on that trade.
Order filled.
Woo!
Order submitted.
$3,000. 2,500. Yeah, you end up paying the Apex broker big time. They make some big time money. Awesome trade there. Woo! Okay, so let's dig in here. So let's see who's still leader.
Order submitted.
Yep, Toby, you still got the lead. You're at 199. Dr. Wild's at 119. Let's see, Sim Kim. Uh-oh, we're down 1,000. I think I think that one went out
Order
too.
filled.
So it's probably done trading. Rue 3,500 on the YM. How about that? Oh my goodness, I thought you were gold in CL. Now you're drifting into the YM. Congratulations.
Order canceled.
Way to go, Rue. You could definitely give me tons of lessons, it looks like. Okay, yeah, Dr. Wild. So the Revo strategy, it's our money flow trackers. So I bought this company about a year and a half ago, but before I bought it, it was running for about eight or 9 years before I bought it. Mark Sachs started it. Rory was like employee number one. There was another programmer at first, and then Sergio took over. But anyways, the Revo strategy is another automated system that was developed years ago, and there's it's similar to the AI Auto Trader. It's a fully automated system. Obviously doesn't have near the bells and whistles. We've been working on the AI Auto Trader almost full time since I got since I bought the business,
submitted.
because that's what I like. I like auto traders. That's really automation. I am an electrical engineer, and automation. I've been programming robots and machines for years, for like cars, to build cars, and
Order filled.
siding. I mean, just a whole bunch of things, different automation. So I really wanted to, create something that was fully automated. So there was a Revo strategy program that the company had and has. We still have it. We sell it with the Money Flow Tracker discretionary system. It's kind of an add-on that we sell as the package there. So we're grabbing
Order
a few of the things
submitted.
there that are working or helpful, and bringing them into the AI Auto Trader. So I've got one strategy right now. It's called the NQ aggressive. The Sergio, that was his favorite one. So I said, show me the favorite one. Let's put it on my machine here and see if we can, see if it can make some money for us. So that's kind of where we're at in the progression. Is I just have it. I have it here behind the scenes right here. This one. And yesterday it did good. The day before it did good. It got crushed on Monday. So it's times to tell if it has legs and can stay with it, but that's kind of the behind the scenes of how that one came about. And I want to trade Unarenko bars, so that's something that we're working on also.
Order filled.
We have a little bit of a bug in it. When I bring open the Unarenko bars, the chart freezes right now, so he's working actually today behind the scenes to see if he can figure out what that is that's doing that to my machine. Because those Unarenko bars, man, they smooth everything out, make it look super easy to trade.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Okay, back to the leaderboard. Looks like Toby's still the lead dog. Let's, okay, Rue uses the Unarenko. Used them today. And you traded obviously the YM today with them, Rue? And you made the $3,500? I wanted to kind of bring over the, looks like it's kind of a low period, doesn't look like many trades going on right now. So, yeah, I just wanted to kind of compare, Dr. Wild and Toby and just kind of see what happened here. So we kind of can look here behind the scenes of the entry times. Looks like you both jumped in exactly at the same time, 10 o'clock with 59 seconds. I always look at entry price. So you both got the same entry price, and you both had the same exit. Same entry, same exit. 10 contracts. Wow, Rue. Oh, Jesus. That's big time movement.
Order submitted.
So back to this. It looks like same entry, same exit. Next trade.
Order
same
submitted.
entry, same exit. Okay, same entry. Okay, here's where we deviate just a touch. So Toby got one tick better here on price on his exit. So that was $5 that he got better on this one. Now here, let's look at this one. So you both entered at the same price here on the last trade. But Toby ended up hitting his first target, and Dr. Wild didn't make the target. So you stopped out. Again, it was a trailer, so it must have came back and got you out. So that's kind of the difference. The bot adjusted to market conditions and shortened up its target, and it put Toby in the lead by just a hair. So we can just now go look here and just look at just Toby's trades, and he's up here at 384. This is the cumulative. So he pulled out the 745, that home run.
Order submitted.
And then let's look at Dr. Wild's individually. So that's the play out here. You're up at 304. So it really boiled down to that last trade there, where Toby got the full target. And again, it adjusted the bot adjusted its target to make it a little bit smaller with the AI model. Wow, awesome, Toby. Way to go. That's fun to look at. Okay, with the PA counts here, the apex counts, we're doing okay. Gold is still sitting at 1,000 in the hole. The CL we're at 720 and NQ we're at 2,500.
Order submitted.
Of course, it's fun for you, Toby, when you're winning. I always have
Order
fun when I'm
filled.
winning. I've never not had fun when I'm winning. Yeah, I think we can make this fun if I get it set up better to where we can, just have everybody in there automatically. Boom, it just downloads and we just have to hit enable. And we're going to get better strategies too, because you guys will start getting more creative. The one that I'm working on right now is putting a filter on here. So look right here. I've got a filter. This NQ30 range signal A. I've got the 50 filter engaged on this one. So these are,
Order
I guess,
filled.
like all three of these almost are identical. This one's a signal A trailer. This one now trails, but this one I put a filter on it, so it only takes trades with the 50. Seeing if see if I'm missing anything. A lot of times when we trade, and especially on a very trending market, the signal A can really get crushed when it's trying to go against the trend. So I thought maybe this filter would be helpful, but again, it's not. I mean, if we look just here today at the data, this one doesn't have the 50 filter on it. It has $2,000 in it. This one has the 50 filter and it's not at $2,000 yet, and they all were started at the same time. So kind of tells me that that filter is not more profitable yet. But we run them for a couple weeks before I really make a decision and say, yeah, that's not a better entry. Yeah, don't celebrate yet, Toby. We got another 6 minutes here. The market has slowed way down, though. 25. Ooh. So we've got a trade on this one here. We can bring this one up. Let me duplicate in a new window. Bring this guy over here. So this one's the Revo. It's called the aggressive strategy. Name that, before I got here. This is sort of the
Order
downside of the
submitted.
Revo. Again, it's it's our low end auto trader. But we don't even project the stop up on the chart. It only projects the target. So kind of don't really know where the stop is. So it does have a stop in there, and will stop out if it gets up there, but it just doesn't project on the chart. So there's, it's lacking a lot of features. But if Sergio brings it into the AI Auto Trader, it will have the stop projected and all the same features we have here. He can set it up on my machine and have it run like it does, with all the other software. But he needs to do some coding to bring it into the AI Auto Trader so that it projects the stops and does all the other features that it currently does. If it keeps performing, we're going to do that because it's got a nice entry. It's called the oscillator entry. It's another entry signal. So, we've already got an A and a B. I don't know if we can handle a signal C entry, but we'll keep running it for a couple more weeks or whatever. If it starts doing really, really well, we'll move faster. Hey Rory, if you're listening, if you're out there, maybe you could drop the link in. Rory's giving a presentation this afternoon at 3:45 on the AI Auto Trader. If you have time, you can jump in and check that out. Got a huge audience today at the Traders Corner webinar. Got about 700 people already signed up for it.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Toby, you're in. Dr. Wild, you're in.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Darn it, put you back to almost even. And it doesn't show here. I got to get that in my head. I have to disable it and enable it for it to show there. Okay, so it looks like you're still the lead dog though, Toby. Negative 39, and Dr. Wild's there right behind you.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, you didn't stay out long. You jumped in again, Toby. Dr. Wild, you're off to the races. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do them next to each other.
Order filled.
Here we go. And we're off.
Order filled.
The one you've been waiting for. Neck and neck. Okay, let's look at where the targets are. Okay, so Toby's a little bit closer target again. He's at 400.
Order
Dr.
submitted.
Wild's a little more aggressive. He's reached back in his back pocket. He's got the 413. So he's got more upside here.
Order filled.
We'll see if this thing can continue or if it'll get stopped out with that trailer. Oh baby, come on.
Order canceled.
Woo-wee, let's go.
Order submitted.
Let's see your guys' entries. Looks like you got the exact same entry. 363.25, exact same one. Oh man, this is fun. Making some big money right here. I should make my little thing smaller.
Order submitted.
Okay, neck and neck. Oh yeah, here we go. More upside. Uh-oh, Toby, don't go out too early. Dr. Wild might take advantage of it with those extra 13 ticks. That might be the game changer, those 13 ticks here. Let's see, folks. Right here on the scoreboard, we got Toby in at about 400. Dr. Wild's right there at 400 also. Oh, that's on this trade, but if we do the math, he'll still be up. Toby will still be up just a touch.
Order filled.
Okay, so boom. Toby still got the $95 lead. Way to go, Toby. Dr. Wild, keep pushing, keep pushing. Get one of those long ones, you'll get it. Oh, and it's after 11. I didn't even pay attention to the time. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We'll give that last trade a go, though. We're going to call Toby the honorary winner of the first AI Auto Trader Challenge. Way to go, Toby. Toby got one notch on the bedpost. Way to go, guys. It was fun competition today. So cool. So it looks like... kind of look at the scoreboard. Looks like Toby with 266 and Dr. Wild with 171 bucks. And Kim will give you a consolation prize, the participation trophy. Okay, thanks, Charles. We don't see the link yet. You might still be trying to paste it in there, but we see your text in the chat, but I don't necessarily see a link yet.
Order submitted.
And maybe you're working on it.
Order filled.
Okay, got another black gold trade. This strategy's been doing pretty good today. Looks like it's up 800 bucks, about 1,000 bucks now. Here in this account, started it when we started the broadcast today. It looks like it's up about 1,000. This one's up about 2,500.
Order filled.
Maybe we've got you on blockage, Charles. Got you on deny. You can't put links in. Maybe. I wouldn't know how to do it either. Let me try to. I'm gonna actually just Skype Rory. He knows how to do it, so he can probably, if he's not busy, maybe drop it in for us.
Order submitted.
Okay, CL got a nice movement here. Oops. Sucker. These screens are complicated. Okay, what do I got here? 687. That one's the nugget. Gold nuggets in trade.
Order submitted.
Okay, the big dog's back in. Wants to eat a little bit more. So give you kind of a little bit around the table here what's going on. So this one right here is running on the Haymaker NQ30 range. So it's running 2 contracts. So I upped the contracts to get it to move a little bit quicker. It's on a $300,000 Apex account. And then I've got these other $150,000 accounts going. And trading 2 contracts too for gold and the CL. So the black
Order
gold
filled.
and the gold nugget. Fully automated system, just sitting back and enjoying the ride. Toby, are you in our Discord? If you are, maybe you can put the your name, your alias that
Order
you use
submitted.
in Discord, and we'll get you a prize. Congratulations, man! Way to pick the bot. Who would have thought? The conservative one. What is your name in there, Toby? Is it Toby? Seems like a no-brainer. It's Toby. What do you think?
Order filled.
All right, let's move it, baby. Let's go. Woo-wee. Easy. Yeah, we'll get that link. Charles, maybe you could Skype Rory and ask him to drop it in here too if he knows how to do it. I'm sure he does. He was dropping links in the other day. Um, I'm not familiar with it. Let's see if I might be able to. I have to go find it. All right, got a good looking trade here in the NQ. This one's been rolling today for me. I had it going all night. Look, it's 157 trades. It's rolled up 3 grand though. That's a big nugget.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, CL, it's up 712.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Bam. 5 contracts, huh, Rue? What instrument you want me to put them on?
Order filled.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah. Um, so there's a balance with the Apex accounts. Staying away from that drawdown. So it's kind of yeah, you can take some big swings, but the drawdown kind of creeps up behind you. So that's always something of a concern.
Order filled.
Tell you what, how
Order
about we do the
submitted.
GC tomorrow, because doesn't it kind of die off near the this time we actually stop all of our robots on the GC, I believe at 11, because I saw all the data taper off. But we'll get one going in the morning with 5 contracts, and you can see it move the needle.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Yeah. Here, let me show you how we would do it, Rue. So we go to strategies, we'll right click, do a new strategy. Again, we have, these are all of our libraries, but this one is the Auto Trader P. Move this over so you can see everything. So yeah, we go grab the template. We're gonna load the gold nugget. Okay, so the gold nugget trades till noon. So you're right, there's a little more time, 7 to noon. And the only thing that we're going to do here is we're going to trade the number of contracts. So we're going to trade 5.
Order canceled.
We do have the ability in here, Rue, that you can do like a 2-step trade. So you can have your first set of contracts, have different stops and targets. But anyway, we'll just do 5 contracts here. And then we need to, assign it an account. I've got its Miller time so my last name's Miller, but it's Miller time is just an account that I have that I just use on any random old thing. So boom. Oh, and then I got to change the GC. So bam, it's now we just go enable it. And it's rolling. So the next time the gold nugget takes a trade, this will also take a trade, and it'll take 5 contracts. And you're right, the numbers move quick when it's on 5 or 10 contracts. What you'll notice too, Rue, in I'll say low liquidity, is if you place 10 contracts all at the same time, they're going to get filled at, little different prices, as you probably know. You're trading, you said, what were you trading earlier, 10? Yeah, you'll get filled at, different prices for those 10 contracts, but especially in low liquidity market. But we'll see if the gold nugget will take another trade, and we'll watch that number move.
Order filled.
I don't want to really splash the auto trader with some
Order
huge numbers.
submitted.
I just wanted to keep it one contract so that everybody has the same baseline, and knows if it made $100 and it was one contract. If I trade two contracts, it'll probably make 200. That kind of step change. Looks like I've got a trade on the CL again.
Order filled. Okay, nice little trade on the CL here. Again, these were done trading Order
really early
filled.
this morning.
Order-
A lot of these
order filled.
NQs rated A30, when that news broke, man, they were lighting off like fireworks here on my machine, including this Apex account here. I had it running on the Haymaker, and man, it ran it up quick. I was running two contracts, so I actually had it trading all night long. It's traded 159 times. Oh, that's so funny. Can't even imagine doing that. It's pulled in $2,687 in the account, though. The other money went towards brokerage fees. And we got the Signal A drone busted out. Just looking at my other computer.
Order filled.
Looks like the retirement plan had a good morning. Black gold here. We're tracking this one too. The ES, this is the one that if you just only kind of, I've heard the question several times, hey, I don't need to make $1 million. I just want to make like $100 a day or $200 a day.
Order
Do you have a
filled.
strategy that can do that? I was looking through the data. We do. We have a couple, but this one really resonated with me when I hear that question and I look at the data. This is the one to trade, if that's your style. This is the NQ. I'm sorry. This one's the ES 5-minute Signal B AI drone, and you know, methodically, I've got it set for $500 win, $500 loss every day. So if it loses 500 for the day, it's out. If it makes 500 for the day, it's out. So you can kind of look through here, you know, winning and losing days. It has losing days, but it has a few more winning days than losing days, and it's methodically, you know, climbing the ladder over here of profits. So, you know, this is the daily profit as it, you know, takes trades throughout the month. So since the first, this one you'd be at, you know, about $3,000. And its bot is very similar. So the bot's very similar. It looks like it's at $2,000. So those are ones that you know, kind of run to my mind when I hear someone, you know, mention that they just want something consistent. That would be the one to trade right now that I've seen. That's not too high, not too low. Stays right in the $500 range for a day. And just recently we released where the drones now stop at their daily targets, their daily profit or loss targets. So we'll start to see those get a little bit more consistent.
Order submitted.
They won't have these huge swings that they've been having.
Order filled.
Yeah, I love that, Rue. It's like $500 to $700 in a blink of an eye. Boom. Before you know it, big money. Ah, thanks, Rory. Great. Maybe you can drop that link in there in the chat.
Order submitted.
Yeah, today at 3:45, Rory give a
Order canceled.
presentation, show a little bit more about the auto trader.
Order filled.
Again, Rory is very knowledgeable about this machine and software. He's been working with it for years. Let's see. I think I'll go ahead and close up the trading for the day. Toby was the first AI Auto Trader winner for the AI Auto Challenge. We had a small challenge today. We had Kim, Dr. Jeff, and Toby head to head, and Toby was using the NQ 30 range Signal B bot. So the bot ended up taking the victory flag today. Let's see, where do I see it? We got to go to strategies. And again, you know, not tomorrow. Tomorrow Rory's going to do the live, but on Monday, I think I'm going to do it again. I'll have it set up hopefully better where we can have several people in and easily get these strategies all set up using that tool, so I don't have to mess around and get it set up too much. But Toby took the victory flag today with the $72 victory, and we'll start keeping some high water marks too. So right now, I have to write this down. The leaderboard for the 1 hour challenge from 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock is $72.38 with Toby. And the date is 4/25. Okay, Toby made it on the leaderboard for the first day at $72.38, and that'll be the one we keep track of. So if we hit the high water mark again, we'll have a new leader. But for now, Toby's going to be the leader, and hope everybody had fun today with the Auto Trader. And if you get time, join Rory today at the 3:45. Hope everybody has a great day, and good luck trading. Bye now.